So we will try to verify all commits. So first of all, we need to create a GPG key pair. For that we need GPG command line download okay, we have make those. So I will go here. I have already downloaded the GPG suite, so I will skip this step. Now open terminal and paste this. Okay, we will go with RSA. Okay, the key size is 3772. Okay, we don't want it to be expired anyway. Yes. Okay, paste your name. It is asking your email. Instead of giving your real email, we should give no reply email provided by GitHub. Okay, for privacy reasons. You can find it here. Okay. Okay, skip this. Okay. Enter passphrase for key. Remember this. Okay. So next step is we need to list our keys. Even though we already have only one key, so we don't need that. So let's pre-export the key, and ID is after your RSA 3072. Okay, paste it here. So this is our public key. We need to add it to our GitHub. There may have some. Okay, here we go. Go to your settings, SSN GPG. Okay, add new GPG, paste it here. Okay, we have added it, but we need to tell our GitHub to use that GPG. Okay, so here we go. Okay, signing commit. First we need to git config global user dot email is equal to our no reply email, and okay, sorry, we mistyped it. Config. Okay, and run GPG global config true. Okay, and we are done. Let's try committing something. Okay, provided. Okay, commit. Now every time it would ask for your passphrase. You need to enter a passphrase that you entered earlier while creating keys. Now let's see if our commits have verified batch. Yeah, it has. You can verify that GPG ID is same as this 8B 6A 8B. Key ID normal, it's something else. Or maybe that's it. Maybe let's see. Okay, 281 key ID 263. Yeah, that's okay.